Cherry, come on, pick the card, please.
Autumn.
You want that card? Okay, let me take that card. What is this? Three of Cups. Superb. What is another card? He gave one more card for us. That is Queen of Wands. Beautiful. So we got two cards which universe has given us, and Three of Cups and Queen of Wands. So Three of Cups, such a lovely card. This Three of Cups tarot card represents celebrations, friendship and joy. It signifies reunions, gathering and positive energy. So in terms of love reading, it can indicate romantic reunions and financial abundance. In career and finances, it suggests success, teamwork and financial abundance. Okay, let us see with the other card. So we got a second card chosen by Cherry is the Queen of Wands. What does this mean in the future, please? Basically, this card represents confidence, independence and determination. So in future, you will be working on some tasks very confidently and independently, and also personally you will be empowered more to complete your task with great confidence. And also in the region of love, you will be more magnetically energized and you'll be attracting someone. Okay, and in career, if we want to look into the career part, it's like you will be more ambitious and successful, and you will be inspiring others as well. So this is in your future card. So that's it. This is the prediction for this week. So all the best for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.